Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with essentials: Aadhaar, PAN, and clear scans. Log into SBI Yono or internet banking. Use the registered mobile for OTP. Once logged in, navigate to Profile, then KYC Update. This directs you to the correct form and avoids branch queues. Enter your 12-digit Aadhaar or PAN details first because these drive e-sign and verification steps. Make sure images are under 2 MB and readable. Poor photos cause rejection and repeat steps. Start the KYC flow immediately to capture. You now upload documents and perform e-sign. Select Aadhaar or PAN upload, then crop and confirm readability. This prevents manual rejection. Once the system validates images, choose Aadhaar e-sign. You'll receive an OTP on your registered mobile. Enter it to complete electronic consent. Make sure auto-filled fields match your ID, names, and DOB must align exactly with Aadhaar/PAN, otherwise the verification will fail. If you see mismatch warnings, correct them now, then request OTP. This streamlines back-end verification and reduces delays. You complete by submitting and saving the acknowledgement number. Download the PDF receipt for records. Once done, SBI typically processes KYC in 24 to 72 hours. You'll get SMS or email confirming approval or rejection. If approved, make sure your account shows updated KYC status in Profile. If something goes wrong, recheck document clarity and field matches. If repeated failures occur, visit the branch with originals and the acknowledgement to resolve identity or address mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.